I got a package today. I got another package. I checked the mail when I was heading home from the pool, and I saw this. I flipped off the address because I don't want to know where I live because that's kind of personal. So it's a fishbowl slime, and yeah. All right, let me try it. Whoa! I don't know what these are. It's some bubble wraps. Look at. Oh my gosh! That's so sweet! She actually gave us candy! Alright, so she asked about some instructions. And there was some colors of their choice. I never got fishbowl, so I wonder what's sticky. It's like totally sticky. I totally have to add in that. Okay, so we fixed the slime out, and it is amazing. It's crunchy as like the unboxing number 1. So yeah. You guys see the fishbowl beads? It's like very hard to see. There's like one. Alright, so yeah. That's it. Alright, so my guys, if you haven't seen my Etsy number 1 slime unboxing, click the link right above there to see the first. It has a ton of fishbowl beads, but yeah. And there's no hole in it, as you can see. It's like pretty hard. So. Sorry for blocking the hand, guys. It's kind of unsatisfying though. Alright, so this slime is extremely amazing. Like, this is pink. It's so amazing. I'll leave some links in the description below if you guys want to go buy some slimes from her. So thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the slime. Please subscribe, and then more videos will be posted.